Hello, this is an instructional YouTube video on how to send and receive an eFax. I'm Galen Tom, Technology Specialist for Solon Community College. Here's a quick overview of what an eFax is and how it benefits us. First, eFax saves money. It reduces the need for traditional landlines. Each department will receive an eFax number, and all incoming faxes will go through that designated number. So I'm going to show you how to send an eFax. First, in the to portion of your email, you want to type in the eFax number. As you can see, I already tested it out. You would have your eFax number, area code, along with the number, at e-fax.solano.edu. I'm going to go ahead and select this. And then you could type something in a subject. It's not necessary, but for this purpose, I want to type something to show you where it ends up. Now in the body of your email you may have this signature here. You may want to delete this because it will end up in your cover sheet. So I'm going to select it and delete it out. Now I'm going to type in a few things to show you where it goes into the fax. You may want to type in something attention to. I'm going to use John Doe in this example. And it's going to be regarding a self-study accreditation paper that I've been working on. Now you need to attach it just like an email of what you want to fax. So I'm going to click the attachment icon, and I already navigated ahead of time to where my document is right here, and I'm just going to attach it as you would normally for an email. And there it is. Now I'm going to send it, and I just sent a fax off, just like sending an email. Now to receive it, I'm going to navigate down lower here. What you would need to do on your email is scroll down as I am in your all email items, because you need to go to this icon right here called folder list and click it. This would display all the public folders available here at Solon College, and I am going to navigate to the text fax number, the one that I'm demonstrating here. And I click that, and you will see the fax I sent. I basically sent it to myself for this practice. So I'm going to open up the fax that I had sent. As you can see, it already said it was 4 pages, which it was. And here's the fax. As you can see, it's an attachment. So what you would need to do is right-click and then do a Save As. Now all incoming faxes are going to be a TIFF file. So go ahead and name it, and then save it. Make sure you remember where you saved it. I saved it to a folder called eFax test for this demonstration. And as you can see, the self-study TIFF file, my fax, my incoming fax I received, is right here. In order to open it, you have to right-click, select Open With, and make sure to select Windows Picture and Fax Viewer. By any other means, you may not be able to see your fax attachment. So I go ahead and select that, and it will open the fax viewer so I could see my fax. And here we are. And as you can see in the subject line, it had the eFax test. In the comments, as I said, you may want to delete all your signatures because it would put that there. It has the information, the from and to up above. And now to see the fax, I would go down right here where you could advance each page. And as you can see, I could see page 1 of my document, page 2, and so on. Make sure you use this area in order to look at your pages. If you need to print, you could just click the print button and it will print to your designated printer.